Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, in this video, we have here an iPhone XS. Now I know, another new iPhone. I know, but stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. There's something special with this, alright? So yeah, here we have an iPhone XS, 64 gig gold. I mean, I don't have to spin around it. I mean, you can see a bit of wallpaper here, right? And it's basically brand new. There's no shrink wrap, no green peel, no nothing, because this phone has been opened before, and this phone came from the US. So US phone in Indonesian country, sometimes it works, mostly, but this one is very interesting. So we're gonna open this phone up. Ooh. Okay, we got the manual included with the Apple sticker still, which is really rare for a second-hand phone. But this is not a second hand because look at this. Yes, you guys can see something interesting, huh? This phone, this is why I said it's still brand new, because look at this. It's still got the seal if it was gonna destroy, and it's still perfect. The only one that's not perfect, the seal. This is not a reseal, right? It's from the back, so they've already removed it already. But the front, look at that, clean, brand new XS, alright? And inside here we got the accessories, which is, from what I can tell, looks like real accessories, alright? So, as you can see, this is an immaculate iPhone XS, which is, again, still got the seal. Immaculate iPhone XS. Let's turn the phone on here. There you go, showing the normal Apple logo. You can also tell that this display is still original, not a cheap OLED or LCD, because you can replace this iPhone XS with a normal LCD, and hey, I saw one, alright, and it looked terrible, like a cheap phone. So, you can see here, we're booted. And you notice something different here for the setup. I mean, if you guys see iOS 14, iOS 15 setup, you do know. Let's go to English here. Let's select Singapore here, and watch when I tap the country. You will see something interesting with this iPhone XS. Again here, an iPhone XS, alright, in gold, look at that. Let's tap into Singapore here. You can see there's something interesting with here. And more interesting is when I press the volume button, they're still showing the old volume HUD. Because yes, this iPhone XS is still running iOS 12. Crazy, this iPhone is still running iOS 12 because, again, this thing is brand new. So yes, of course it's still running iOS 12. But I do have a problem, alright? So let's just go to the setup here. Okay, let's connect to Wi-Fi here. Connected right there, or they're remembering my internet. Okay, now it's gonna activate the phone now. Okay, it's gonna start to activate the iPhone for the first time. And then it says this, SIM required, please insert SIM card. Alright, so I have my Indonesian SIM here. Let's try it out. Alright, I'll grab my Indonesian SIM card here, see if I can put it in. There you go. Okay, let's say try again this time. Try again. You can see it's trying to find a network up there. And then it says this, SIM not supported. The SIM card that you currently have installed on this iPhone is from a service provider. I'm gonna keep it short here. This iPhone is locked to a US carrier. And the US carrier is called hold on, I forgot what they called. US Reseller Flex Policy. Basically, from what I heard, is basically AT&T, correct me if I'm wrong here, it's basically AT&T, but these phones is sold in like Walmart, Target, and all these places. They're not sold via Apple or via AT&T carriers. They're sold from Walmart and all places. Also, what I heard is US Flex Policy. I don't know if it's real or not. I just read it from Google, right? You can basically put any US carrier, and once they know what carrier it is, for example, I put T-Mobile on it, and then it will immediately lock to T-Mobile. So yeah, that's a big problem here because I live in Indonesia, and of course this phone doesn't work. In fact, I disabled my hotspot. It noticed it. Look at that. It has LTE. But if I click try again, this phone won't activate because for the first activation, it still needs a US SIM card. So that is my bubble. You can see there, LTE. It found the LTE in my country, but still saying SIM not supported. So that is my stopping gap to using this XS on iOS 12 or so. So here I have 2 packs of something that you guys probably don't know, alright? This things is called RSIM. So basically what an RSIM do is you can activate a carrier lock phones to use with your other carrier. So that's what they do. But here's the catch. Here I got the pamphlet here from the person who sold this to me, and look at what it says right there. The iOS has to be updated to 15.3, and you know, looking at this, I will not update this phone, alright? I will keep it on iOS 12 because it's a rare, man. It's a rare phone, alright? So updating it to 15.3, 15.4 is out of the league. I will not do that. I will not follow the instruction here. There you go. I have a stand now so you guys can see the phone much better. So I asked the seller, what can I do to activate this iPhone that is still on iOS 12 and not updating it at all to iOS 15? Well, he says that I only can activate it, but I cannot use data, which is, I will find a way later on to get data, right? Stay tuned because I do have contact with another guy. But in this video, I will put a text here if I successfully, use this phone with a carrier here. I will just gonna activate this phone so I can go to the home screen. So this is what you call an RSIM. Let's take it out of the baggie. Alright. So we got it here, alright. Let's open up my SIM tray again. There we go, like this. And now you stick your SIM card, if I can't pick it up, right here. Okay, they're on there tight, alright. Now let's just put it on the phone. Let's see what shows up on the phone. Put it in again. Try to be careful. There we go, there we go, there we go. Oops, hopefully I can get it out. Okay, let's see what's crack-lacking. Oh, okay, we got some old LTE blah blah blah. We're gonna try to scroll here and say US AT&T AU for 2G plus 4 for 3G 4G. Manual. Setup okay. Restart your iPhone now. Click accept. Let's see here. Let's try to restart the phone. Oh god. Let's try to restart the phone here. Man, I'm sweating in the back, man, because I really want this iPhone to activate on iOS 12, alright? I will try my best to not update this iPhone to iOS 15 just to activate it, alright? The reason why I need the SIM card to work is literally just so I can go to the home screen, alright? Because with this method right here, I can't go to the home screen at all, alright? So we'll see, ladies and gentlemen, can we activate this iPhone and good to go? Alright, here it is. Oh, I'm so scared, man. Let's just go to turn on my hotspot here. English. Scroll down here to United States. There we go. Okay, set up manually. Wi-Fi is connected. Okay. Okay, there we go. Oh boy, the moment of truth, guys. Also, I'm gonna turn off hotspot immediately so I can, it doesn't show the update. Unable to activate. Oh boy. Oh boy. Don't tell me to update, man. No. Oh no. No! Wait, man. Oh, yes, man. Oh, yes, man. I almost stuck with the unable to activate, but I managed to use my phone hotspot connected to a UK VPN because that's what it says right here. Alright, use a England VPN, whatever it is. I use a VPN, alright, connected to my phone, connected to this phone, and it's activated, man. Let's just remove the SIM card, man. Let's remove the SIM card. I thought that this phone won't activate like the 6S on iOS 9 issues. If you guys don't know, iOS 9 6S issues is persistent because you guys have to restore the phone in order to activate it. But wow, let's just activate it, guys. Okay, keep install update manually because you have to click continue on the newer version of iOS, alright? So you can click install update manually, not now, enable location services. I'm also gonna see, I know it's gonna be risky, but I'm gonna reset this one again and see if it activates or not, right? Let's see here. Okay. No. Oh, yes. iOS 12. Oh, look at this. You can see the truth zone display with or without because I don't think this is not anymore on iOS 14 and 15 setup. Continue. Oh, never mind. This is supposed to be as a video, I think. I don't know why it doesn't show up. Maybe because I don't connect it to the internet. Because this is supposed to be, yeah, look at that. They don't show up. The tutorial on how to use the iPhone gestures because this is still brand new. Yeah, the video doesn't show up. Yeah, what? Alright. Welcome to iPhone, guys. Let's see. Oh my god. Here we are. The moment of truth. In 3, 2, 1. Oh ho ho ho! Wow! You know what? Before any wow witch moment, alright? Wow witch. Let's enable hotspot. I'm gonna block the update immediately, so this is how I'm gonna block update. Alright, go to cydia.itchy touch show like that. Google. Alright, it's the google.co.sg because this phone I put a Singapore SIM card here just to see if it works, but of course it's not work. Okay, you go to this guy repo, but this is, we can immediately go to Safari and go to here, scroll down, you can see there no OTA profile. You click that and install, restart, and turn off your hotspot because it will still show updates. Alright, so that's how I actually block software update, because even though you can use normal tvOS profiles from like betaprofiles.com, for example, they don't install for some reasons. Okay, here it is, iOS 12, guys. So let's turn on my hotspot again and let's see what iOS 12 version this iPhone is running. Let's go to settings. Oh my gosh, I'm looking for an update. It's that quick too. Wow. Yes. So let's see here. What software update is this? Okay, it doesn't work. Let's see. I'm gonna reset this one because I'm trying to not to show the software update badge. We'll see if it works. About 12.0.1. Yo. Alright. Enough with the chit chat. Like I said, I'm gonna reset this phone again. So let's see if it works. Alright, so we're gonna reset all content settings, erase iPhone. Let's see, can this phone activate again? Okay, let's see, without any SIM card, will it now activate? And I'm ready to turn off the hotspot just in case. So, oh wow, it's ready to go. It's ready to go, guys. I turned off my hotspot. Hopefully it doesn't show the iOS 12 update. Not iOS 12, iOS 15 update. Oh, look at that. I got a new Siri pop-up now. Let's see, this time will the animation show up? Hey, there we go. Look at that. It's showing up, but it doesn't play it this time. Oh, man. Yeah, this animation doesn't play. This one also doesn't play. This one also doesn't play. Oh, that sucks. Anywho, iOS 12. All right, let's immediately block it again this time. 3, 2, 1. Safari. Cydia.itchy touch show. Software update and 12.0.1. Your software is up to date. So yeah, I don't think this will work again without the RSIM. So let's remove these two. It thinks that it's activated on AT&T, right? Oh yeah. So when I put a SIM card again, it won't activate. So it will show up like the other one. Yeah, like this time. But this time I can eject the SIM card. Open this phone. Boop. Like a magic trick. So yeah, I think by that method we are locking this phone to AT&T though. But right now, phone is activated. Look at this, the good old 3D touch. Alright, unlike those 3D touch, this is a real 3D touch because this is the last iPhone with 3D touch. Alright. Now, as you can see, this phone is still sealed, but like I don't know should I keep it or not, because as you can see, it's wrinkly. And it's really wrinkly up here if I saw it loose. So I may remove it, but not now. I'll remove it later on when I got a screen protector and everything ready. But yeah, I'm just glad to get this iPhone absolutely working fine on iOS 12.0.1. Alright? So, oh man, what a journey, man. I almost thought this phone, I almost thought we have to forcibly update this phone to iOS 15. But we don't. We just hopefully get this one working on iOS 12. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Comment, like, subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next time. Peace!